to our third meeting, iPortal meeting in Leipzig. The aim of our meeting is to have a look what has been introduced so far on our platform. We will see how the virtual classroom works and what will be the plans also for Second Life and the internet radio. Also, we will see what the state of the art is in the different countries, about the advisory groups and what you have done in terms of dissemination so far.
Productive meeting here in Leipzig, very constructive with lots of good ideas. Now we're going to construct the content and the materials which will be used by iPortal users, which I think is going to be a fascinating next step.